Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to the channel where we glow up naturally from head to toe. Today I'm going to share something every girl wants but no one explains properly. How to get pink, soft lips at home in just 3 simple steps. These are natural, affordable, and trust me, they actually work. So let's get into it. Step 1, exfoliate. The first step to soft pink lips is exfoliation, but gently. Our lips have very thin skin and no oil glands, so they dry out easily. Dead skin builds up, making lips look dark, dull, or flaky. Here's a DIY scrub I swear by. You will need 1 teaspoon sugar, brown or white, 1 teaspoon honey, a few drops of rose water or lemon juice. How to use it. Mix it up, apply it on your lips, and gently scrub in circular motions for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then wipe it off with a damp, warm cloth or rinse. Why it works. Sugar exfoliates, honey moisturizes, and lemon or rose water helps lighten pigmentation. Step 2, moisturize and tint. Once your lips are smooth, you must moisturize, but not just any balm. I started using natural moisturizers and saw a huge difference. Here are my 2 faves. Option 1, night repair. Apply raw honey or ghee at night before bed. Wake up with plump, baby soft lips. Option 2, day tint. Take a slice of fresh beetroot, dab the juice on your lips, or mix a few drops of beetroot juice with petroleum jelly. Why it works. Honey and ghee are deep healers. Beetroot has natural color plus antioxidants that reduce darkness and give a soft pink tint. Bonus tip, mix aloe vera plus rose oil for a daytime lip serum. Step 3, protect and prevent. The final step is all about protection. Even if your lips are hydrated, they will go dry or dark again without this. Here's what you do. Use a lip balm with SPF every morning. Yes, even indoors. Reapply during the day, especially after eating or washing your face. DIY lip balm hack. Mix Vaseline or shea butter, 1 drop of vitamin E oil, 1 drop of rose essential oil for scent. Why this works. Lips can get tanned just like skin. SPF protects your natural color, Vitamin E repairs, and Vaseline locks in moisture. So babes, that's all you need. Scrub, hydrate, protect, and you will see results in just few days. These are the same 3 steps that helped me go from dry, pigmented lips to naturally pink and soft. Try it out and let me know in the comments what works for you. And if you want more glow-up tips, skincare, feminine energy, all the girly stuff, hit that like button and subscribe. Love you. Stay glowing.